This is Meowbert. He was just chilling, basking in the calm glow of midnight. Then it happened. He heard a sound that no one else could detect, a strange frequency vibrating through the air. Meowbert's ears twitched, his pupils widened, and suddenly, he couldn't control his body. He started dancing in bizarre, glitchy moves. The room trembled, clocks melted, and Grandma floated by. Even the dog began to ascend. Meowbert's eyes rolled back, lost in the rhythm. The sound kept echoing. He's still dancing, and now if you listen closely, you can hear it too.